All right, today going to be replacing the engine air filter in my 23 Nissan Pro-4x. Took me a little bit to track this air filter down. Went to a couple of O'Reilly's and they said they'd have to order it straight from their distributor. So I had to call it in. Took just 24 hours, so you may want to check your local auto parts store to see if they even have a filter. I'm going with a pretty inexpensive filter here from AC Delco. Normally when I do my first filter change, I want to put something nice in it like a K&N. I'm not doing that this time because within the next like 15,000 miles, I want to actually redo this whole cold air intake with something different with a cone filter. Not sure if I'm going to do the Z1. Might wait until one of the, probably more expensive is the best way to call it, air filters come out. So for now, I'm just going with this kind of cheaper one. I picked this up for $30. So again, pretty inexpensive air filter. I let this go a little further than normally would. I mean, internet says change every 15,000 miles. I think it just depends on kind of where you're at. I'm not in a super dusty area. Haven't been off-roading too much in this vehicle. I've checked on this filter when I hit the 10,000 mile mark just to see how dusty it was, and I kind of knocked it off the dirt that was on it. So not really sure what to expect here, but just want to go ahead and get it changed and just keep this truck performing optimally. So again, just kind of depends on how dusty your climate is, or maybe what kind of job you have. If you're on and off a construction site every day, you may want to check this a lot sooner than I am. Okay, so first thing we want to do, we've got the lid popped, and there's two clips right here that you'll want to undo. I believe the way this lid sits in here is that it kind of sets in, so we kind of want to pick it up and pull it out. Then you'll see that the whole lid is open. And then just kind of look and see how this is oriented. Notice that there's an orange rubber trim here, and most of the filter is going to be down in this box. So just want to take that out. And you can see it's pretty dusty. I mean, it's going to be this yellow, I think, from the factory, but you can just see how there's a lot of dust buildup and particles in there. And so this is just the stock one that comes from Nissan. Next, I would just open up your box and just try to get any particles that are in there. I see some leaves, just little pieces of leaf in there. Just want to kind of rub that out, get that out, so that you're not going ahead and dirtying up your next filter. Don't throw away your old filter just yet. Again, especially since I had to special order this one, you just want to make sure that the filter you ordered is the same size and matches the one that you're taking out. What you don't want to do is throw this thing away and then open your filter and it's the wrong size. And so I'm just looking to make sure that these are similar, and they are. You'll just notice, I mean, this one's a lot more yellow. I think that's just the way it comes from the dealer. But also it's been collecting a lot of dust and debris, and you can see that this one's a lot cleaner. I think this one just comes more white than yellow. And so just like I took it out, I'm going to put this filter in like this and set it in. You can just see that it fits nicely in there. And then again, there's 3 clips down in there, and so I want to kind of put this lid down and then slide it in. Okay, now I can feel that that's nice and snug, and then I can clip these 2 clips back in. And that is it. That's all you have to do to replace the engine air filter. Pretty simple process for the stock cold air intake. Next, you'll just want to dispose of this and enjoy driving with your nice new clean filter. If this was helpful, guys, please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. Any little bit helps.